never heard of a slaughter. I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test?
When you gonna put me up on one of your videos or something? You know I can still get out. Check this out.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dr. Ross, are we live?
We are live right now, IK.
Well, let's get into our She's Hot contest for today. Starting it off with Miss India Love.
Congratulations, Miss India Love, on your win.
Miss India Love, she actually was born on February 3rd, and her full name is Miss India Love Westbrooks. She rose to fame with her TV show with all of her siblings called The Westbrooks.
Wow. And you know what? Miss India Love has grossed over 4.9 million followers on Instagram, so she's really become a Coca-Cola bottle.
Exactly.
And you know, people always know India Love for being the Instagram model that just pops it like you've never seen it before.
Like it's hot, drop it like it's hot.
Right, and she was linked to rappers in the past that you know of, IK.
Like such rappers are The Game and
right.
Roddy Ricch, actually. Now, we don't know what games they were playing, but I know what game I'm playing. Love. L-O-V-E. Miss Love, I'd love to take you out to lunch, brunch, or dinner in the Playboy Mansion or in Beverly Hills at a restaurant of your choice.
That's right. IK loves oysters.
That's how it goes. Let's get into our hot topics for today, or let's get into the Bible.
Congratulations once again to Miss India Love.
Congratulations on your win, Miss India Love. L-O-V-E. Right. They don't say love for nothing, do they, Dr. Ross?
No, they do not say it for nothing.
But let's get into our first hot topic for today with Kanye West.
Can you believe that?
For his Donda concert, he had Kim come out in this wedding dress and a veil, and she came over to the ground and started kissing the floor that he was just standing there at.
Wow, Kanye is doing it right, Dr. Ross, but the one thing he should have did, instead of coming out in a fake thug outfit, not knowing what he's doing, standing there like this.
In a cape.
And Kim also standing there just like this. He should have came out in a Methodist, a Jesus outfit, something church-related, and hit him the side of the head with the Bible.
Knock some Jesus into him.
Ma'am, can I put some Jesus in your life?
But it seems that Kanye is not only bringing Kim out of the woodworks, he's also lighting people on fire.
Oh yes, I remember this. So for his Donda concert,
to interrupt myself right here, Kanye West didn't light someone up in the crowd. He lit himself on fire and burned up a whole house while doing it. But guys, this was all a stunt, and Kanye was fine.
And people were just flipping out. But Dr. Ross, with the Donda concert, it was all over the place. They had Lil Baby, Da Baby, I don't know what his name was. They have Marilyn Manson, Kanye West. The concert was out there, essentially.
And people are trying to compare Kanye West and Drake to Michael Jackson and Prince.
That's a thumbs down right there for me, Dr. Ross.
Exactly.
Right there, that's an insult to Michael Jackson and Prince and the artists around the globe.
That's right.
Because Prince and Michael Jackson were both phenomenal artists, and they were the best at what they did.
That's why Michael Jackson has the word for the king of pop, because he's the king of pop. You don't see anyone calling Drake or Kanye the king of pop. And if they are, then something is wrong.
Go tend to the owls, your owl farm. I don't know what you have going on. You said you only love your mama and your bed frame. So go back to that. And with Kanye West, you really need to go back to the mansion. I don't know how many millions it was, but go back to the mansion instead of staying in the Donda concert home at the Mercedes-Benz Stadium.
Exactly.
He's staying in a cubicle right now, Dr. Ross. And you know,
Sad times.
Dr. Ross, speaking about the king of pop, they're actually saying that Justin Bieber is the new king of pop because he has the most plays on Spotify.
I would say this is another lie, because when you get the title of a king of pop, the king of rap, all these things, that means you are the top of that whole genre. And they're really just, no disrespect to Justin Bieber, because him and his wife Hailey Bieber are having a very good time, but it doesn't compare to the artists that really beat and claimed that genre.
True, because with Michael Jackson, he was the king of pop. He was putting out there with Thriller. Justin Bieber, you put the work in, you're a millionaire now, but I'm not gonna say you're the absolute king of
That's
pop.
right. I don't see Justin Bieber moonwalking across the ground and breaking his leg and going back onto it. So
But
we're
let's
gonna
get-
leave that right there.
Let's get into our next hot topic for today with the new segment we're starting off called Movie Month.
Okay.
The movies that have come out this month, a few we've seen and a few are going to be upcoming movies for this year. But we watched Free Guy, which was a phenomenal film. A thumbs up for me.
Thumbs Up is a romantic comedy. If you want to have fun as a couple, go see Free Guy and have some laughs.
There was also The Protégé that came out, which was very
Really,
funny,
really good.
action-packed. It's a thumbs up for me all around right there.
Thumbs up for me, because Samuel Jackson always brings a laugh to the screen, even when he's getting shot up.
Samuel Jackson is a spoiler alert in the trailer.
I'd really like to see you again, under different circumstances.
These are the best circumstances you'll ever see me in.
But our next film is Candyman, which we're not going to see. I'm going to put a thumbs down
Thumbs
because,
down. Because the
this
first
film is
one,
not for me.
Yes, the first one, it got, the myths and the rumors about it.
It's just too much for us. Our next film is coming out is Spider-Man Not Far From Home, No Way Home,
No Way
which is
Home.
actually supposed to have Tobey Maguire, Andrew Garfield, and the new Spider-Man. Which is,
Yes.
It seems like it's going to be really good, so that's going to be a thumbs up from me.
Thumbs up for me, because I'm excited to see the old Dr. Octo that was in the original Spider-Man, and my favorite Spider-Man, Tobey Maguire.
Yes, the original Dr. Octopus is reprising his role in this film too.
Hello, Peter.
That's right. And for our last movie review, we're going to go ahead and mention The Reminiscent, or The Reminisce.
Reminisce was a really good film. It's very romantic and it's very action-packed too. It's a very good film all around, and it's 2 thumbs up for me. Just like Inception. So to all the people who love Inception, this film is for you.
That's right. For me, it's going to be a half and half, because I love Inception more than I love Reminisce. But Hugh
Some people
Jackman
have different
is a
feelings.
fantastic actor.
I still think Hugh Jackman's best role was Logan. And our next film, we know we were saying that was the final one, but also Shang-Chi and the 10 Rings, that's going to be coming out on September 9th or September 7th. So stay tuned for that, but it seems like it's going to be a thumbs up for me.
Yes, their
Hopefully-
premiere was last week, and everyone looked fantastic.
Yes, hopefully it's not a Snake Eyes, which was a thumbs down from both of us.
That's right.
But Shang-Chi is supposed to have the original Mandarin from Iron Man 3. Instead of the fake one, the actor, it's supposed to be the real Mandarin in this one. So stay tuned for that.
You got this.
Thank you.
And let's get into our last and final 2 hot topics.
Our second hot topic is going to be with Travis.
Kourtney and Travis. TV.
Yes, TV and Miss Kourtney Kardashian.
Yes. So Miss Kourtney, we're gonna have to call her Miss Barker now. But Miss Kourtney has flown out Mr. Barker in a private jet. They went to Italy, and she bought tons of scandalous outfits.
And to all the people who don't know, this is a really, really big thing for Travis Barker. Since years ago, he was involved in a horrific plane accident, and he was the only survivor.
Yes.
But Travis Barker, he got his money from that case. That's what I'm going to state, Dr. Ross.
That's true.
And also, he's now with Kourtney Kardashian, going back on flights, enjoying his life, and hey, you know, Dr. Ross, I was going to cut this topic off, but I just realized Scott Disick got kicked to the curb. He's in Alcoholics Anonymous or somewhere, wherever he's at right now, enjoying his alcohol.
And I'm not mad about it.
Because Scott Disick, you know it's bad for him.
Exactly.
The kids are trying to dress up as Travis Barker now. The wife is acting more scandalous, dressing up better.
Scott did this to himself, though. The
Scott
only person...
he's crying into a cup of coffee right now.
Exactly.
And it's too late for him to do anything.
Now, a person that, for our last and final hot topic, a person that I do feel bad for, though, is A-Rod. Because A-Rod didn't do this to himself. He gave J-Lo the world, basically. He gave her a car when she didn't drive for years. And he spoiled her. He really did. And now, look what's happening.
And Dr. Ross, I beg to differ. Because getting her a car and all this, you can't bring the car to the bedroom. A-Rod should have been a man. M-A-N. He should have... Dr. Ross, I'm gonna put this lightly for you, A-Rod. You should have grabbed her by the nappy-ass weave and said, make me some pancakes, bitch. I don't care if it's from Bisquick, motherfucking cornbread mix, and
But
make the
not
syrup
from the
too.
pancake box.
Exactly.
From scratch.
Make it from scratch. And feed it to me slowly, because I don't like to eat fast.
Right.
Just right then and there, J-Lo would have been all for you. Because we're going to have to give you the stamp of approval. Because A-Rod, we're going to have to put you with the L train. That's right, Dr. Ross. We're going to have to put you with all the sap suckers. Because right now, you're losing, A-Rod.
That's right. And
We used to call you the man of the hour, the Playboy International. Now we're calling you a boy, a sucker.
That's
Stamp
right.
on your forehead.
when's the last time you saw J-Lo in a flower dress?
Never.
Covered up.
And A-Rod, you know that even though Ben Affleck is drunk, he's saying, make me some pancakes, bitch.
That's right.
That's how you have to do it, A-Rod. These were all of our hot topics for today.
You tripping, bro. You tripping.
Miss India Love, congratulations. I know what love stands for. L-O-V-E. The one guy that Oprah's marrying said that, and he got fired the next day. So obviously he doesn't know what that means.
True.
But these were all our hot topics, and we'll see you in the next episode. We out. That's for you, Kylie Jenner. The grass is greener on the other side.
We love it.
Travis Scott, buy another brown suit.
And Kylie Jenner, oh yes, you will be mine.
Is that a black bite-sized Hugh Hefner?
That's for you. We're out.